Day 2 here in Paris, guys. We're here again at Thai restaurant. We're having our lunch in here kasi malapit lang to siya sa hotel namin. At pasensya lang sa aking mask again kasi akong bugas nigara na po, guys. And yeah, we kinda become lazy today. Hindi kami nag-stroll. We just gonna rest lang because later at the evening we have a dinner na naka-reserve. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys. We are walking now. Obviously, we're walking. Naghahanap kami ng store, supermarket, small supermarket. Bibili lang kami ng mga water kasi walang free water sa loob. Probably maybe snacks. So, dyan kami bumili ng guys, ng snacks namin. Franprix yung tawag dito sa France ng supermarket. Got this bread Nutella. And then, can you hold it, darling? And then, I also got this. Ito siya. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. May almond siya inside. Na-try ko to siya sa Thai restaurant kasi yun yung free chocolate nila sa coffee.
Is it like made from cheese?
I forgot. You explain to them why we're getting this wine.
I've chosen this wine because probably this is the only one wine I'm familiar with. I mean, the one I like most. Because I tried it like last week in London. Here we met. Some special one of the night.
We are now here having dinner sa Les Hombres restaurant. May view siya dito. Eh, wait lang. Hindi siya kita. Oh, yan. Now we are sitting here. Medyo social tong restaurant na to. Kasi may pa-birthday si Mister. Kaarawan ko eh. Ito yung mga kapitbahay namin. Yan sila. Socialens.
Qui font baisser les miens, un rire qui se perd sur sa bouche. Voilà le portrait sans retouche de l'homme auquel j'appartiens.
So their starter, I got like a menu dish which is comes from starter, main dish, and dessert. Ito yun, prawns to siya eh. And then sa husband ko, he's complaining, making reklamo, it's a small portion daw. Pero unlimited bread naman siya. This is my main dish. I guess potato, sweetie?
Too long for potato.
You can try. Chicken siya, guys. And then my husband got what is?
Duck breast.
Duck breast. And with his unlimited buffet bread. Main dish ito, guys. Kain tayo. So I guess, guys, the tower starts like blinking every hour. Every 1 hour. It's 8 p.m. now.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, qu'il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tous les jours. Ça me fait quelque chose.
May pakantol sila dito.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Tapos na kami mag-dinner, guys. Ang ingay. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. What's with the commotion in here?
Hey, rally.